a deluxe reverb. No volume, it's plugged in, and that quit. There we go again. So there's I think it's in the circuit because I've changed, started at the V1 and changed all the preamp tubes, 12A, X7, Cs, swapped them in and out, moved them around. The volume doesn't have anything to do with it. The normal channel won't work, and my reverb won't work. And the vibrato channel seems like it works a little bit, but it's just not real dynamic. Sometimes that'll kick it in. And I can play it for an hour, it won't do it, and then all of a sudden it'll start up. And it did it the day I bought it. And I take it back to the Guitar Center, wouldn't do it. Changed the tubes, would not do it. As soon as I get it home, there you go. You know, and I hadn't taken the ground plug off. I've plugged it up in different plugs in the house. Won't get it, man. No. I don't know what. Should it do that? Should it have that? That's it. I mean, that's a reverb sound. Standby off. And sometimes it'll do it with the same. No, it won't. I thought it did, but it doesn't. It's got a little dirt in there, in that pot. Yeah. I got some pot spray somewhere. Anyhow, man, please help me.